This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter because Ps5 does not natively pair Airpods. Once the adapter is plugged into a rear USB port, open Settings, then Sound to prepare output. Put your Airpods into pairing mode by opening the case and holding the case button until the LED flashes white. Now move quickly. The adapter should enter pairing search. If it doesn't, press its pairing button. This first step gets the Ps5 and Airpods talking so you can set audio output in the next step. Once paired, choose the USB Bluetooth adapter in Settings Sound Audio Output so the Ps5 routes game audio to your Airpods. Make sure to adjust master volume and toggle 3D audio depending on the adapter's support. 3D audio can be disabled if latency or distortion appears. For voice chat, note that many Bluetooth adapters and Airpods limit mic support. If the Airpods mic isn't recognized, switch to the DualSense mic or enable remote play on a PC or phone, which often provides full mic functionality and lower latency. Keep checking levels. You're almost done. Launch a game and join a chat to test both game audio and voice. If you hear delay or dropouts, move closer to the adapter and remove other active Bluetooth devices. Interference often causes issues. Make small tweaks, lower in-game audio or disable 3D audio to improve sync. If audio fails completely, unpair and repair the Airpods, check the adapter's firmware, or switch to remote play on PC/phone as a reliable fallback. If problems persist, try a different adapter that explicitly lists Ps5 headset compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.